Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Monopoly, and welcome to the Metaverse. Now, we're back with another video. I know I didn't post a video last week, but that's because I had some technical difficulties with my laptop. In other words, I did not have my laptop, but I have my laptop now, so that's what's important. Look at the crypto markets currently, and right now it's actually been pumping. For once, when I upload, well, at least, by the time, at the time I'm recording, it's currently pumping, and we're looking at everything. Everything's been, pretty pumping, nothing too crazy, 1-2%, pumps. Something that's been going on recently is just look at the price chart on that right there. But if we look at the yearly chart, everything that's been going on, I mean the all-time chart, looks like we're going right here, reaching previous resistance levels around the $47,000 range. Could we go down before we go back up? Definitely, especially with the halving coming up, we might need a little bit of a chillaxation. But you never know. I don't know. Cup and handles, what I've been calling. Will it happen? I don't know. Only one way to find out is we gotta wait. But basically, another news, we got Bitcoin ETFs, which have been accumulating a bunch of Bitcoin. More specifically, actually 3% of all the ETFs combined own all of the supply of Bitcoin. Wow, that is a lot. That's a little bit too much. Sounds a little bit too centralized to me, and sounds like manipulation could happen in the future. Only time will tell how that will work. Speaking of which, of ETFs, we have the Ethereum ETFs coming up. Kathy Wood of ARK, 21 shares, amend spot ETH ETF filing. Now, personally, I don't think that it took so long for Bitcoin to get their ETF approved, so I feel like Ethereum, especially because we know the creator, and then there's a foundation, so I just feel like it's just a little bit more iffy. Maybe in the next cycle. I don't think in this cycle it would be great, not complaining if it does get approved, because that's just gonna pump my bags. I mean, I don't have any bags. Everything's been pumping recently because of all these speculation and news, but like I said, I personally don't think that the Ethereum spot ETF will be approved. Maybe like a futures, but I don't know about a spot ETF. But yeah, that's basically what's going on with the ETFs at the moment. Michael Saylor is always just pumping and buying Bitcoin as always. He just recently acquired a couple million. I'll pop it up on the screen, and at the moment he currently has over 190,000 Bitcoin worth more than $8 billion. I remember when this thing was worth like $2 billion in the bear market. Currently accumulating just like everybody should. No financial advice. And yeah, basically his goal is to acquire at least 1% of Bitcoin, which would approximately be 200,000 Bitcoin, if my math is correct. And Solana doing the usual, just getting an outage, that's just Solana, typically happens mainly more during a bull market, just because there's a lot of more transactions being inputted, and then just people just trying to mess up the network. But yeah, that's basically what's happening with Solana, nothing crazy. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin halving. As always, we are 70 days away. April 19, 2024 is the expected date once the next halving occurs. Currently price is $44,000. What do you guys think price will be at the time of halving? I'm hoping for 50k by the day of the halving, because then that would be a really great push to supercharge the bull cycle. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, X, whatever you want to call it. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Thank you so much for everybody for watching, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one.